All right. How you going, guys? Just here with Ryan from WX Concepts. WX? Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, so Ryan's just doing a steering wheel for Ed's Challenger.
So he's a steering specialist and doing custom steering wheels. How you going, guys? Custom steering wheels and custom stitching for obviously all your four-wheel drive needs. And we always get dirty hands in four-wheel driving, jump in, sit in our four-wheel drive. This is less than a year old. This is just a steering cover. It's less than a year old, and look at the punishment that it's had. Just, you know, from gripping, dirty hands, back, forth.
And this could be for anyone, eh? Anyone that wants a car.
Yeah, anyone that loves their four-wheel drive, sick of buying these covers. They're not cheap, about 30, 40 bucks. Ryan is one of our first and new sponsors. One of them. One of many to come. One of many to come to Ryan. Yeah, so this is just for you guys to watch and see how he does his work.
And look at the quality that's going into here.
So it's very
fully
good quality.
hand stitched.
Yeah.
So essentially, building on to what Ed mentioned, obviously we went with the perforated leather. Of course, it's durable. It feels a lot more comfortable. You know, it feels different altogether rather than the standard bulky, chunky universal covers.
That's the ones.
So yeah, a nice touch of red and black contrast. That's what Ed has requested. You know, it's a nice signature sweep, put it that way, on this between the spokes.
The handle part.
So it's a very, very small touch of differences, and mainly because we have the full perforated round, just to handle durability, a bit of grippings as well. And of course, as we really touch this edges here, this is where we can do a bit of differences. But of course, it's a one of a kind that Ed has requested for us to come through with it for him.
Yeah. Awesome job. And Ryan also comes to you, and he actually does the steering wheels in the car, so there's no need to take the steering wheel off or anything like that. So yeah, he's doing a cracker of a job. Unreal.
Yeah. Can't wait to see the finished product and test it out this coming weekend. You know what I'm going to love about this? It's going to be thinner than this.
Yeah.
So this was very like chunky, and it took me like a few weeks to get used to. With this, I think I will get used to it in no time because of the thinness of the steering wheel. It feels like it's you're still your original steering wheel with a thin layer of, you know, durable leather on it. And the stitching, I love the way that he does the stitching. You know, is it double string, Ryan?
Yeah, so
double string.
Double string to pull out together. Obviously, when I pull them too tight, I can get cut to my hands. So,
oh wow!
But you know,
what sort of string is that, mate?
Just pretty much standard I think it's slightly thicker than your standard fabric clothing scraps.
Okay.
Yeah, just so you know, it's held together nicely as well. And I do it double stitch, just so it's
I like
stronger.
the pattern that he uses. Show
Yeah.
that pattern, Robbie. Look at that pattern.
It's pretty much
Very nice,
essentially
very
like
nice
a
finish.
diamond stitch all together.
Very nice. Yeah, and it makes it unique. It makes it yours, you know. So.
Yeah, that's right. Hopefully for the next year's fall drive show, just before the National 4x4 show, we'll get Ryan to do seats for this as well.
Yeah.
It'll take a little bit longer, but I can bring the seats to you.
Yeah. Nah, that'd be cool. Then she'd look like a Lambo.
That's right, that's right.
On
Then
the
I
inside.
when I get muddy, I better have a hose. I'll hose myself every time before I jump back in it.
Nah, she'd be.
I'll do this for durability. That's why I asked you. First thing I said, you know, I needed to have durability because our hands get dirty. We need to grab it, let go, grab it, let go, spin around.
So what's next, Seb? Paint job.
Paint job.
Paint job.
And removing the landmark dints.
It's got a couple of battle scars there, mate.
Yep.
That's all right. At least you know it's been driven well.
That's what makes it really unique.
Adds character.
I know. Oh, well, I'm adding something to the front of it very soon. Oh,
Okay.
two things that'll change the shape of it and the look of it.
Yep.
Extremely. But yeah, it should be nice.
Two little things. Turbos. What are we talking?
No.
What are we talking?
Looks wise. So we're going with the bar.
Yeah.
And something else at the front. I want to leave it as a surprise for the next video.
Ah, okay.
Custom.
Custom. All right.